The carburetor of the chainsaw is messed up. What should I do if it won't start? I'll teach you to adjust it back. Find the carburetor. Look at the top. There are 2 screws. Turn both screws all the way clockwise to the end. Then turn each screw counterclockwise by 1.5. That's it. Where are these screws? Let me show you where. It's in the direction of the chainsaw, inside this part. Now we turn it back clockwise. Turn each screw clockwise to the bottom. Okay, it's adjusted. After adjusting to the bottom, turn it back half a circle. I made a small red mark for you. Okay, 1 turn counterclockwise. Okay, half a turn. Then do the same thing to the left one. Turn it counterclockwise by half. Mark it here. Okay, 1 turn. Okay, half a turn, 1.5. Now let's try it out. Okay, it's that simple.